Hello, 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 beautiful world. How are you all? How are you people doing? I hope you all are doing fine, having fun, and you are gonna welcome the new winter season. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos, and subscribe my channel so you can notify whenever I make new videos. As you all know, the pets are beautiful, they are lovely, they are lovable, cherishable, and they are our friends. They are helping sometimes more than our human friends. And parrot is a funny pet, I guess. Parrot, laugh or because parrot can only also speak. Yeah, you know that, guys, right? So I think you guys are gonna love this video about the beautiful parrots expressions. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Keep watching the videos, keep sending me love in the comment box so I can know if you're liking it or not. We'll meet in another video. Like, subscribe, and share my channel. Bye bye, guys. Don't watch the video till end, you're gonna be surprised.